welcome to this new Java interview question. This is a Codilty question and you are given a problem statement which says that you have to design a REST API where there is a get method and a health check URL. You get a request parameter which comes as format and it is required. So without that you are going to send a bad request message. If the format is equal to short, you send the response as status OK. If the format is equal to full, you send the response as the current time formatted in ISO 8601 format, else you send a bad request. Also, if it's a put method or a post method, delete or patch, you simply say the method is not allowed. Here I have given an alternate implementation for post. Although the question says even post is not allowed, I have just used the request body and I have a pojo called status which has a member called type. I am using a getter here and checking if it is full. I am actually returning a couple of things: the current time, a check variable which comes as a path variable, and the status as OK. So this also teaches you how you can actually implement a REST API in Springboot. So we have a REST controller, we have a request mapping giving the version. This is one of the recommended REST practices to have versioning. Inside our get handler, you also have the headers which comes as a key value map. You can use it to check something if something is being sent from the front end in the header. Our request param required true means without this we will not process anything. And then we have our conditioning. If it's a put, we simply say method not allowed. Here you have your path variable. The name is similar if you check. And you have your request body. Required here is false. To test it out, I am using Postman. So you have Postman here, you do a send and you get format not provided. If you have not provided the format, as you can see, the body is empty. If you do provide the format and you do a request, you get the current time, the check, that is the path variable, and the status as OK. In the get, if you send the format as full, you get the current time and the status. And in the short format, if you send short, you get the status as OK. Here I am using one of the features of Postman called test. So you can write multiple tests here. I am simply repeating the first one. So you can name your test. You can take the JSON data and then you can check the status. If it is OK, it will say the test has passed. So it comes something like this. You can create your test suite. You can integrate it with Jenkins in your pipeline. So that's how you can work with REST. Thanks for watching.